In this tutorial, I will discuss on how to calculate multiplication of two numbers which are close to 100 within 3 seconds, which is actually you will be able to calculate it without using pen and paper. There can be two cases that may arise, one onto the left side where both the numbers are less than 100 and onto the right side where both the numbers are greater than 100. So let's start with the first example. There is 99 into 97, so we will draw a line first. Let's draw a line first. The next up we need to do number minus 100. Remember I am saying number minus 100 and not 100 minus number. So 99 minus 100 will give me minus 01, and next up 97 minus 100 will give me minus 03. Now you need to multiply this 01 with 03, which will give me 03, and then next up you need to do like crosswork. For example, 99 minus 03 or 97 minus 01, which both will give 96. So there is my answer. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very easy trick. So drop a like now. And coming on to my second case where both the numbers are greater than 100, you need to draw the line again, and then you need to get the difference between the number and the 100. So 104 minus 100 will give me plus 04. 102 minus 100 will give me plus 02. Then you need to multiply both of these numbers, plus 02 and plus 04, which will give me 8. And then again you can do 104 plus 02 or 102 plus 4, which is going to give me 106. So there is your answer. I've uploaded more mental maths videos like this. Check them out. That can also be done within 3 seconds. Do subscribe. Many more videos are coming. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. I make videos on C++ also. If you're interested in programming, check them out. They're super cool, super explanatory, and like I have done them in like very descriptive way. So see you in the next video. Peace out.